Assalamu alaikum, good morning, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. To be honest, it has been a very long time since I had a good morning, and the reason for this is definitely not this package I received from Fitted, but still let me just show you what I ordered. First of all, can we just appreciate how big this box is? So this is my first time ever seeing an online brand send their stuff in such a huge box, and I only ordered 2 things. So this is actually a very new experience, and it's also clear this is actually my first time ordering anything from Fitted. So first of all, let me just open the first package, and in this package we have a classic black dress print. To be honest, I ordered both these things for an upcoming social event in which both Ayla and me will go, and I believe this event is something which will interest a lot of students. So stay tuned, and I'll be inshallah sharing everything about that event. So this is the dress band. As you guys can see, this is the fit. Okay, I was a bit skeptical about this stain, but when I tried to remove it, it easily came off. So I let this one slide. Anyways, the next product we have is this cream blazer. To be honest, this is not the product I had in mind when I ordered it. So it does not suit me, to be honest, and I'll just return it. And this is how it looks. Anyways, I'll be keeping the dress band because it looks very good.
One eternity later.
When I started to make this vlog, I thought Ayla would not appear in this video because she has exams, okay? But how is that even possible? Here is our cute little Ayla buying stuff for both of us, even though she has an exam on Monday, literally in one day. So inshallah, the next time I'll try to keep her at home so she focuses on the paper. But we got all our stuff and now we're heading back home, so I'll see you guys at home. So this was not what I had in mind when I returned home, but as soon as I opened the door, Mama showed me into the kitchen and she said, and I quote, "Ab khana banane ka time aa gaya hai." So the story goes back to actually 2 years ago when I finished metric in 2023. So at that time, Mama really wanted to teach me how to cook because I knew nothing, not a single thing about really making real food, okay? The desi food which we all eat every day, not those cakes and spaghetti and noodles, okay? This is something all of us can make, but you know, the real food, biryani, korma, vegetables and everything, she wanted to teach me that. But I made a deal with her because I was being over smart, okay? I made a deal with her that after I finish my FSC in 2 years, I'll officially learn to cook. So here I am 2 years later, regretting everything I said back then and learning to cook unsupervised. Okay, I have Papa with me in the kitchen, but if I'm being honest, I believe I can make better food than him. Sorry, Papa, but that's true. So anyways, I am making something I have seen Mama make a lot of times. So if you have already not guessed it, yes, I am making chicken biryani. So I left the korma on the stove on a medium flame to completely cook the chicken, while here I am making the standard condiment in every Pakistani desi household. So yes, I am making green chutney because this is something we really enjoy eating with the biryani. But we also have an anomaly in our house too. That is my second youngest sibling. She actually enjoys eating biryani with just a bowl of yogurt mixed with salt and pepper. So every time we cook chicken biryani, we have to save some for her to enjoy with her biryani. That is why I left a big bowl of yogurt at the side for her to enjoy. And finally, the korma is almost finished. But at this point, we have to add the chicken biryani masala. So this is like my mom's rule that we have to add it at this point in order to make the biryani masala's flavor more rich and intense. And this makes the biryani more delicious. To be honest, I have seen my mom make like 20 different types of biryanis. She actually really loves to experiment with her food and try a lot of different cuisines from different parts of the world. So I have seen her with my own eyes make like 15 types of biryanis, but this type of biryani is the easiest, but it also turns out really delicious, so I chose to make this recipe. I believe my love for food and cooking comes from my mom, because like her I also want to make a lot of things, and I have tried independently. I have tried to make a ton of recipes, but they just did not turn out the way I wanted them to turn out. So here I am officially learning to cook, and inshallah I will succeed in it, I hope. So we are finally at the end of the biryani, and here I am just adding a few vegetables. You can add a lot of stuff like lime, but I personally do not enjoy that lemon flavor in my biryani, so I'm not adding it. So yes, when you are the chef of your own creation, you get to decide what to add and what to not add. So here I am adding the final layer of rice, and also I like to make my biryani very colorful because it turns out very pretty and beautiful when you enjoy it. So I added a lot of color. It might seem like a lot, but trust me, it's actually not that much color. So finally we are done with our biryani. To be honest, it has been a long time since I actually made something I was satisfied with. So this biryani compared to my mom is a bit average, but in my humble experience of making dishes, this is like at the top. This is a top tier biryani for me. So I am choosing to be satisfied with what I accomplished in this cooking experience today. So I believe it turned out good. It was actually very delicious, smelled amazing, and tasted perfect in my opinion. My mom makes the best biryani at the end of the day, but I am choosing to be happy with what I made. So this was all from my side. Additionally, if you guys are still not following me on Instagram, make sure to check it out, because in the upcoming days I'll be sharing a lot of stuff on my Instagram page. So if you are still watching this video, thank you so much for your love and support. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. So take care, Allah Hafiz, and make sure to subscribe for more content. Bye.